What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. In this episode, we are going to work on open shelving. Since we ripped out the cabinets, we need somewhere to put our dishes and stuff. So, stay tuned. So, what we're going to do is we're going to build some open shelving right here out of 3/4 inch pipe. One on that side, one on this side. So let's go down into the garage and check it out. So here we are in the garage, and here are the pipes. I've already cut them to length and I've already painted them, but basically it's a 3/4 inch floor flange with some 3/4 inch pipe with an end cap, just spray painted black. I previously made these in another video, so I didn't want to duplicate what I've already done. You could click the link right up here to check that out. But let's take these and go upstairs and get to installing the shelves. So first off, what I did was I measured between the hood and the wall, figured out what size I wanted, and now I've decided I'm going to do 32 inch shelves. So we got our pipe here, and we're going to have to figure out where we want to put our pipe, because the 32 inches is the length of the wood, and then you're going to want these about 2 inches inside of that wood, just so that it looks, you know, looks wise it's going to look good. So we'll go down and cut some wood, and then I'll come right back up, and then we'll install these and get these going. We got the wood cut, and then now we're going to figure out where we're going to mount these, and we're going to use these concrete drywall anchors. That way they're nice and strong and they don't fall out of the drywall. And as it says, it's good up to 675 pounds, so we'll be golden. So as I said, I cut the wood 4 inches shorter than our opening, so then we have 2 inches of spacing on each side. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to measure and put these 4 inches in each side over, so that it has 2 inches of overhang like that, only, you know, obviously underneath it, but I'm one-handed, so it's kind of hard to show you, but hopefully that makes sense. It'll make sense once we put it all together. So I'm going to measure 4 inches off the edge, 4 inches off the edge, and put our pipe right there. Booyah! Only, instead of starting here, I'm going to start over here because it's going to be the easier side. So the first thing that I did was I measured 4 inches off the wall, and then now I have my flange lined up. And then I just marked the holes, the center of the holes, so then now I can take it off and I have my dots. And then what we'll do is then we'll take our drill bit, drill this out, and then we could whack our anchors into there, and then we'll be able to put the flange back up and then screw them to the wall. So here's our first hole here. One hole. Here's our second hole. That easy. Now we'll just take a hammer and whack the anchors right in there, and then we'll be good to go. Also, to add, depending on the anchors you're using, it normally tells you. I'm using a 1/4 inch drill bit, just so you know what holes to drill to put these in properly. Boom, that easy. Now your screws will not get stripped out or anything. That easy. Now your screws will hold in the drywall and you don't have to worry about a stud, and they're good for a lot of weight. Nice and strong. And there's pipe number 1, good and strong. And now we'll go ahead and do the next one. Just like the other one, I put it up here, did my dots, so now I know where to drill the holes. And also make sure that these are level. I'm using the top of my tile as a level. I put my level up here to make sure that it was level, and it's good. So I'm just setting the bottom of the floor flange right on the edge of here, and it'll be level. Yeah. Well, that damn package lied to me. 1/4-inch holes, too freaking big. They just stripped out. Super. So I just moved my holes over slightly, redid it, filled this hole because you'll be able to see just a little bit of it, and then yeah, too big of holes. So beware. So I used the 3/16 and it's way better. Let's see how these screw in. So, just like that, we have our shelves, and we have some pretty looking stuff up there, some nuts and some cookie cutters and succulents, I think those are. But, that's what it looks like. And now we got to do this other side. So, I'm not going to film doing this other side, I'm just going to do it, and then I'll show you afterwards so we can have a complete view of it. Alright, I finished both the shelves. Here we go. Boom! And I took off the plastic finally off of our stainless steel hood. But here you go. It's looking good. What do you guys think? Sure beat what it used to look like before. I'll throw in a quick picture here. Crazy difference, huh? It's come a long way. Still not done with the kitchen remodel, but we got our shelves up. So, sorry for the short video, but we're going to end it here. I just wanted to give you a little insight on what I did to build the open shelving. And it's a drastic change, and it looks awesome, and it's way more modern, and hopefully you like it. And if you do, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, join along, and if you haven't already, check out all my other remodel videos on the kitchen. But yeah, thanks for joining me, and peace out.